In just 5 years, robots could be taking over your job. And not just that, we're talking about a $50 trillion robot revolution. This isn't science fiction. This is NVIDIA's CEO telling the world what's coming. What he said might just be the biggest warning and opportunity of our lifetime. Jensen Huang, the legendary CEO of NVIDIA, recently dropped a bombshell at their AI conference. He said humanoid robots are coming faster than anyone expected. Why does that matter to you? Because these robots aren't just machines. They're about to become workers, assistants, even caretakers, and companies will be willing to hire them for $50,000 a year each. That's right, your next coworker might be a robot. Now here's the crazy part. By 2030, the world will be short by 50 million workers. That's millions of jobs with no humans to fill them. And Huang believes robots are the solution. Not only that, he calls this wave of physical AI the next $50 trillion opportunity. 1. Labor shortage is real. According to Huang, we're heading straight into a labor crisis, 50 million worker shortage by 2030. Factories, hospitals, even homes will be short-staffed. And guess who's stepping in? Robots. He says soon companies will employ robots and pay them the same way they pay humans. Except robots don't sleep, eat, or complain. 2. Humanoid robots by 2029. He predicts that fully functional humanoid robots will be a reality in under 5 years. These robots will look like humans, move like us, and work in spaces built for humans. You won't need to redesign a factory. Just plug the robot in, and it works like a new hire. 3. The rise of physical AI. We've seen ChatGPT take over the internet, but Huang says the next evolution is even bigger. AI that can interact with the physical world. It can reason, plan, move, build, like a human. Imagine a robot that knows your schedule, cooks your food, does your laundry, and fixes your car. That's not 2050. That's the next 5 to 10 years. 4. NVIDIA's game-changing tools. And here's how it's all happening. NVIDIA isn't just dreaming this up. They've already built it. Tools like Isaac GR00T, a foundation model for humanoid robots, or Project GR00T and the Newton physics engine, designed to teach robots to move, learn, and adapt like we do. So what does this mean for you? Jobs will change. Some will disappear, but new industries will explode. Think of it like the internet in the 90s. People were scared, but those who learned early became millionaires. Now it's your turn. Will you be replaced, or will you build the next AI empire? This is just the beginning. In the next video, I'm breaking down 5 insane business empires you can build using these AI robots and tools, from zero to multi-million-dollar ideas. So hit that subscribe button and don't miss what could be your biggest opportunity yet.